Okay, we're trying out a new camera today, and on top of a ladder, trying to be careful, not break anything, or me. We had a situation with this RV. The problem was water coming around the door, streaks and all kinds of stuff, so we're trying to come up with a homemade solution. I think we found something. Initially, the water would, of course, come off here, run around this awning, it's on either end, and then would just drip off the side, run down, streak it all up, just horrible either side. So the first option was one of these little doodads. Put that on there. Okay, well that got the water away from the RV, but unfortunately, if you stepped outside the door, it put it right on your head because there's a door directly below it. So we thought, okay, let's come up with a plan B. So plan B, got up here looking, I thought, well, what if we made a baby gutter? Some sort of small gutter that would grab the water and direct it where we wanted it to go. So we got to think, well, what can we make out of a gutter? So we got some ABS plastic, which you find, and usually you find these in mobile homes. And what size was this, Ken? You remember the size, 1.5 inches?
Yes.
1.5 inch ABS plastic. We just took a jigsaw to it and sliced it in half, as you can see. And then we took a heat gun, heated the ends, bent them a little bit to get the idea. Then we had to make a little notch for that seam that goes right there. So that made us a really nice gutter. So now our project is to attach it up here. We got some polyurethane sealant. So we're going to attach that. We're going to put some weight in it so it'll bond well. And so now when the water comes off, it's going to hit our little gutter. It'll run right down here, come out the side, and drip away from the RV. Here's on that side, and you see what it'll do on that side. Now let's show you what it'll look like from the ground. Because anything you do like this has to be wife approved. We can't have anything too homemade looking. So from down here, you look up. Gosh, it's far away, isn't it? Zoom in. There it is. That's what you see. It's not so bad. And let's look at it from the front. And there it is. I was missing it. There it is from the front. So we're going to get us some polyurethane and get it sealed up real good and do a little test with some water here after a while and see how it does. Okay, this is up close. I just laid a bead of black polyurethane sealant all the way across there. And then I put some heavy 1-inch metal bars, pry bars and stuff to give it weight. Let it sit there for the night, and then tomorrow we'll do some testing with some water. Yes, we will. Okay, it's the next day. Everything is dry. I was going to show you. See, that's what the other half looks like. We just took a piece of pipe, sliced it in half. Of course, we got a spare if we ever need one. And here's our finished product. And we had a nice bead of polyurethane. It's really secure. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere, I don't believe. And it looks good from down below. Now let me show you how it's going to work. As you can see, we got a few drops of water already going in there. Just carefully pour a little water and not fall off this ladder at the same time. Get some water to go. Come on, water. Alright. Come down here. It's the gutter. And then you see where it runs off. Right down onto the ground where it's supposed to. And we're not getting any streaks all over the side of the RV. And depending on which way it's tilted, it'll either run off the rear or run off the front side. The same way it'll run off and miss the RV. But anyway, so we had a problem and we found a homemade solution. And I think that's going to work great. No more water on the wife's head when she comes out. Awesome. There you go. Make yours today. I'll show you what it looks like from down below. Okay, so from down below, you see what it looks like. You see the water dripping still. And all you see is that little black pipe. We got a small black pipe up front sticking out so it don't look bad. Don't even look homemade. You can almost call that factory. Probably better than factory. Anyway, that's what we come up with. Hope it'll work out for you too. Thanks for watching. Bye.